So this is how to fix national test abias app not working problem or not opening problem. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, then you tap on the settings app. After that, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notification on apps and preference. After that, tap on see your apps or apps list. So after doing all this, what you have to do next is to search for the national test abias app. So in this video, I'm going to use a demo app to replace this app. So just tap on it when you find the national test abias app. So after that, what you have to do is to check notifications, turn it on, then you check the mobile data and Wi-Fi, make sure it's also on, and tap on the force stop, you tap on OK, check the permissions and make sure everything is allowed. After doing this, lastly what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache, then you tap on clear cache, you tap on clear storage, then you tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store and update the app. After updating it, just tap on the restart the power button for some while, then you tap on the restart and also tap on OK to reboot this phone. See you in my next video.